Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries traveling with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now, ooh, when you're gone, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. Walls and mountains standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Tales of worries traveling with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, must try to figure it out alone.
Good evening, everybody. I just wanted to come onto the vlog to let you guys know that this vlog is going to be everywhere, as it's literally, honestly, the final proper autumn vlog. I'm going to make this a thing, just make it an everything vlog. So, for instance, today I'm going to do a cozy night. Tomorrow, probably gonna do my Christmas haul. I've got some Christmas things. I've got some Christmas things upstairs. I might even do another dog walk as well and vlog that because I've got something coming. I've got the stabilization gimbal hold tripod thingy majiggy coming tomorrow, and sorry, I keep looking over there. I keep seeing things, and that thing's going to come in handy, especially for what I'm going to try and do in 2026 and for Christmas. And for the final bit of this vlog, I will carve my pumpkin, my massive pumpkin. Let me go get it. This thing. Yeah. We're carving this big boy. Anyway, let's start this cozy evening, shall we?
Let me off the hook. I wanna run wild. Get tangled in the sheets with a lover that isn't you. 'Cause I was on my own when you were by my side. So there's no difference now, except there's nothing to hide. Let me go on without you. Let me go on without you. Let me go on without you. Let me go on. Oh, how the night gives way to the dawn. We were the dew on the morning lawn. Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone. Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone. There's no coming back after you showed me who you are. We can't ever be what we were, but it wasn't real. You were just playing a part to keep from being alone. And there's no hiding now since you retired the role. Let me go on without you. Let me go on without you. Let me go on without you. Let me go on. Oh, how the night gives way to the dawn. We were the dew on the morning lawn. Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone.
Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone.
Good morning, everybody. I'm popping on here again this morning to do a quick Christmas haul. Plus, why not? It's content. Anyway, let's begin. TK Maxx sells these. And yes, they're cookies. These are going to be so good on Christmas Eve. Throughout Christmas. And these were £8.99. There's not a lot at the moment. First, I'm going to show you these. I got these off Amazon. Mini Christmas trees. They're really nice. They're like handmade, like very handmade. Next thing I'm going to show you are these. Next they're selling their Christmas things, and this. I love these. They look very, very me. Okay, TK Maxx again are selling these. 2 cups and two coasters. I'm really using one because, again, why not? But just let me get it out. Look at that. Let me set out the camera so you can actually see it. There you go. Or scented wise, I've got this. Again, from TK Maxx. Look how cool this looks. I cannot wait to actually put this up somewhere. I mean, it smells really good. It smells like Christmas. For the final bit, second to final, sorry, I've got something else in the cupboard. I've got this. It's my Christmas tree. This will be going up on the 1st of November. Probably me. It might not. Still debating if I should do the autumn vlog. The November vlog. But yeah, Christmas tree. I cannot wait to put this up. For the final bit, I'm gonna get it. Give me a sec. Here you go. My new Christmas pillow. This thing is huge, but also really, really soft. It's very easy to cuddle. Yeah. That's it for now. I'm gonna chill for like half an hour because I've just gotten back from a dog walk, and I'll see you in a bit. So yeah, this vlog's gonna be a short one because I've got a lot to do coming up to Halloween. I've got to carve a pumpkin, I've got to prepare for Christmas, all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the Christmas haul, the cozy evening, the dog walks, all that. And this autumn's been incredible, very incredible. So yeah, I'll see you all in the November vlog. Maybe Christmas vlog. I have no clue yet. See you soon. Bye bye.